Honeypot ant. Honeypot ants, also called honey ants, are ants which have specialized workers, that are gorged with food by workers to the point that their abdomens swell enormously, a condition called pleurigate. Other ants then extract nourishment from them. They function as living larders. Honeypot ants belong to any of 5 genera, including Myrmecocystus. They were first documented in 1881 by Henry C. McCook. Many insects, notably honeybees, and some wasps, collect and store liquid for use at a later date. However, these insects store their food within their nest or in combs. Honey ants are unique in using their own bodies as living storage, but they have more function than just storing food. Some store liquids, body fat, and water from insect prey brought to them by worker ants. Lamprey. Lampreys are anijallous fish of the order Petromazetiformes. The adult lamprey may be characterized by a toothed, funnel-like sucking mouth. The common name lamprey is probably derived from Latin lampetra, which may mean stone liquor, though the etymology is uncertain. Currently there are about 38 known extant species of lampreys. Although they are well known for boring into the flesh of other fish to suck their blood, in fact only a minority do so. Only 18 species of lampreys are actually parasitic. The lampreys are a very ancient lineage of vertebrates, though their exact relationship to hagfishes and jawed vertebrates is still a matter of dispute. Troglodyte spider. Troglodyte is a genus of large spiders found in the caves of southwestern Oregon. It is the sole genus in the family Troglodytidae, and includes only one species, Troglodyte marchingtoni. These spiders are predominantly yellow-brown in color with a maximum leg span of 3 in 7.6 centimeters. They are remarkable for having hook-like claws on the raptorial segments of their legs. Troglodyte belongs to one of only 3 new spider families described since 1990. The specific name is in honor of the amateur cave biologist and Deputy Sheriff Neil Marchington. Lobster moth caterpillar. The lobster moth, also known as lobster prominent, is a moth from the family Notodontidae. The English name refers to the crustacean-like appearance of the caterpillar. The moth has a wingspan ranging from 40 to 70 millimeters. The forewings are gray to gray-brown or green-brown, while the distal part has a slightly lighter color. There are 2 bright, jagged crossbands, which are often only dimly visible on the front wings. Between these, the midfield of the wing is usually slightly darker. The hind wings are similar in color but unmarked. Wolffish. The Atlantic wolffish, also known as the sea wolf, Atlantic catfish, ocean catfish, devilfish, wolf eel, wolf or sea cat, is a marine fish, the largest of the wolffish family Anarchaecidae. The numbers of the Atlantic wolffish are rapidly being depleted, most likely due to overfishing and bycatch, and is currently a species of concern according to the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration's National Marine Fisheries Service. Although it looks fearsome, the Atlantic wolffish is only a threat to humans while defending itself out of the water. Apart from their unique appearance, wolffish are distinguished by the natural antifreeze they produce to keep their blood moving fluidly in their very cold habitat, involvement by both the male and female in brood-bearing, and the large size of their eggs. They are also an important factor in controlling green crab and sea urchin populations, which can become overly disruptive to habitats if left unchecked. Wolffish population success is also an important indicator of the health of other bottom dweller populations, such as cod,